Good day, I am Prinsloo, Professor in African Languages at the University of Pretoria in South Africa. I would like to talk to you about aspects of African language lexicography, the past, present and future of African language dictionaries, and specifically from a Eurocentric to Afrocentric approach. The aim of the presentation is to give a perspective on the yesterday, today and tomorrow of dictionary compilation for African languages. If we look at the past, we can say it was characteristic by a shortage of dictionaries, no strong lexicographic tradition, dictionaries mostly compiled by outsiders like missionaries, and naturally they were all paper dictionaries. If you look at the present, we see more African involvement in the compilation of these dictionaries, and also very important, the dawning of the computer era and resulting corpus-based dictionaries. What's in the future? We expect the continuation of paper dictionaries, also increasing compilation and use of electronic dictionaries, and we expect them to be corpus-based to a large extent. Now a little bit more on the terms Eurocentric and Afrocentric at this stage. Eurocentric typically means dictionaries were originally compiled by Europeans. Afrocentric means an aim for the future compilation of dictionaries for African languages, one could say by Africans, in Africa, for Africans. Thank you and good luck with your studies.